Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to clear browsing history on your Android phone. So guys, let's start with the video. And before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So let me open first my Chrome browser. And if you want to delete your browsing history, then you have to click on this three dot option and go to the history. Okay, click on history, and here you can see this is your all browsing data in history, and you can check it. If you want to delete one by one, you can just click on this into button and it will be clear. And if you want to delete all history, just click on it, and here this is your browsing history, your cookies and sketches in basic option. But if you want to delete everything, go to the advanced, and here you can see all detail like save password, auto form, everything. And in time range you can select all and clear it. And same you can do with basic. If you want to delete only browsing history, cookies and caches, just select time range, whatever you want, and just clear it. Okay, so now if you want to delete your activities or history from your account, Google account, this is your browsing history. Okay, so if you want to delete your Google account history, click on it, then it will take on your my activities of your Google account, and this is your all history which save on your Google account. If you want to delete it, just go to the three dot option, go to the delete by activities, and you can delete everything from here. Okay, just select services and delete. If you want to delete only Google search, just unselect everything and select Google search only. Okay, where is the Google search? Once again. Okay, just select Google search. I don't have Google search because I already deleted, so you can unselect everything. And if you want to delete Google search, select Google search from here. I don't have because I already deleted, so let's assume this is Google search and click on next, and you can delete from here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.